What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. It's been some time, but today we're gonna be opening a $950 mystery box from our guys Sunset Sneakers on Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and link their IG information right here. Man, these guys, I think right after we started our Instagram, we have been linking up with them. So I saw them post up, hey, we're gonna do a $1,000 mystery box or $900, whatever it was. And you know, first come, first serve, first 5 people to grab it. And I decided, why not do it for the channel? So hoping we can get a dub in the comments below. Come on, pray for OOS. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna pop this box open. It's a fairly small box and it should be a fairly quick video, but I just wanna see exactly what you guys think. I know they've been doing mystery boxes. Let's see if we can get a dub. Open this up right quick and I'll let you guys open it up. Feels like it's about like 2 shoes, which I think should be like okay. But let's open it up. Y'all, oh, so it's a 2-pack. And I see an off-white box and a red box. Let's start off with the Jordan 1. I think I know what this is, but there could be also, maybe this is the neutral highs. All right, so this is a 7.5 women's Air Jordan 1. So I actually don't know what this is. What is, oh, okay. So we guys know this. We have the iconic Air Jordan 1, I believe is a satin skin, the one that released, and fairly clean. So this is a women's size 7.5, brand new dead stock, lace bag still attached. I'm gonna go ahead and link up the name here as well as how much the value is. And as you know, we guys have a website, so whatever does not sell already will be on our website, www.ooskicks.com. So fairly clean, we know all about this shoe. I think these were going for the high back then, and then they had a sudden dip, so we can go ahead and check out the value later on. But overall, pretty clean shoe. I never actually seen this in hand. Leather quality is pretty good, and you have that snake skin on the back. So cool little shoe, and I'm hoping that this next one should take us over to the top. Fairly quick mystery box, but let's see what we can get. Let me pull this out. I don't want to look at it, but I'm gonna just show the size. This is a 9.5. We got that Sunset sneaker sticker that he puts just like we do, swoosh. And I'm saying like this, it is very hard to come across these off-white boxes that are not smashed already. So I haven't looked at the colorway. Let's see what we get and pop it open. Hopefully it is a banger. What is it? Tell me what it is, guys. Can y'all see? Oh, y'all can't see. Oh, okay, it's a Vapor Max. They look to be, oh shit, brand new. Oh damn, these are brand new. So these are the Vapor Max. So this is the all black colorway. This was not part of the original one. I think the original ones were white, but overall pretty clean shoe. I haven't seen this in a long time. The one thing about these shoes is that you could have discoloration on the bottoms. So you just gotta be careful when you're selling onto secondary apps, but I think we should definitely be over the range of $950. I know these still hold their value, and then we have those Air Jordan 1s that we have on top. So let me know what you guys think. I know I've been buying like mystery boxes in like the $2,000 to $3,000 range, but you know, 2 shoes for $950, brand new, easy movers, potentially can make 10 to 15%, 10 to 20%, depending on if you find the right buyers. I think that this is gonna be a W. Shout out again to Sunset Sneakers. Looking forward to do more business, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you guys like this range? Do you guys like kind of like beaters that you pull up and get it, or you like brand new shoes? So we'll leave it at that. A very, very short mystery box video. I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, hit that thumbs up to help us out, and we'll keep it going. Let us know if there's any other IG resellers that you guys like for mystery boxes, and we'll probably buy some from them. Appreciate y'all, love y'all, and always remember, stay in stock with OOSKicks. Peace!